Google Chrome's Incognito mode is a handy feature that lets you browse the web without leaving traces on your device. When you open an incognito window, Chrome doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms. This makes it ideal for private searches, signing into multiple accounts, or using a shared computer without leaving personal data behind. To open an incognito window, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome and select New Incognito Window, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. You'll notice a dark theme and the incognito icon in the corner, signaling that you're browsing privately. While incognito mode keeps your local history private, it doesn't make you invisible online. Websites you visit, your employer, or your internet service provider can still track your activity. To enhance privacy further, you can combine incognito mode with VPN services, which hide your IP address and encrypt your traffic. Cookies in incognito mode are temporary. Once you close the window, all session cookies are deleted, which is useful for testing websites, logging into multiple accounts, or shopping without affecting your main account preferences. You can also use incognito mode to avoid personalized search results or targeted ads while browsing. Extensions behave differently in incognito mode as well. By default, they are disabled, but you can enable trusted extensions through the extensions settings if you need them. This adds flexibility while keeping your private browsing session secure. Overall, Chrome's incognito mode is a simple yet effective way to browse without leaving a local footprint. Whether you want to maintain privacy on a shared computer, test web pages, or manage multiple accounts, it's a tool worth knowing. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.